Okay, so then we are moving on into behavioral segmentation. This is the last type of segmentation, and that is dividing the market based on how people behave towards various products. So when it comes to the marketing environment, marketers must anticipate and respond to the elements of the external environment. And they do this by doing an environmental scan. What an environmental scanning is that it's blah, blah, blah. It is a process of continually collecting information from the external market environment. So that could be like doing surveys, or focus groups, all that kind of stuff. So key elements of the external environments. So a key element is competitive. It is assessed by analysis of the market share, so how much of the market share that company holds or would like to hold. Economic is another key element. So you must identify and respond to changes in the economy, which we've talked about, like recession and employment in the very first chapter, I believe. And responding to it as soon as possible. There's also social and cultural elements. So those are rapid changes in trends impacting market decisions. So how the culture is moving and shifting. Other elements are technological. So this affects marketers in ways that are less directly visible, but if technology changes, then there can be tweaks that can be made on how marketers market. The other element is political and legal. So this includes changing levels of governmental support for various business categories. So just how the politics and legality of things change. So if there's laws that change, that might change how it works as well. This is just a fun little cartoon about changing how you brand. All right, so moving on. There are different utilities. So the first one is the form utility, and that satisfies wants by converting inputs into a finished form. There's time utility, which satisfies wants by providing goods and services at a convenient time for customers. Place utility is satisfying wants by providing goods and services at a convenient place for customers. And ownership utility, which satisfies wants by smoothly transferring ownership of goods and services from seller to buyer. So all of these utilities are different ways that marketers use, because again, marketing is all about getting your products to your customer. So here is just a little graph of how marketing has evolved over the years. So at first it was really about production and how you can produce things fastly. Then it was all about selling. Then it became a marketing focus, and right now it's more of a relationship focus. And I think that has to deal with social media and how you want to have that connection with your customers. So, because it's all about relationships now, there is something called customer relationship management. This is actually a class I took in college, so it's a very specified part of marketing. And what it is ongoing process of acquiring, maintaining, and growing profitable customer relationships by delivering unmatched value. So that deals with customer satisfaction. So making sure that your customers feel that they're being valued and that their good or service delivers a value above and beyond their expectations. And it also deals with customer loyalty, so having customers buy product from you again and again and again. So in customer relationship management, that's usually where that customer loyalty program would come from, and keeping those emails. There's databases. That's all within customer relationship management. All right, so we are done with notes. Sorry, I went a little fast there, but you can always pause and go ahead on this. It's just because time is running out, because it's only 10 minutes long. So the key terms that you should learn are marketing utility, marketing concept, customer relationship management, value, customer satisfaction, customer loyalty, the marketing plan, marketing segmentation, target markets, consumer marketers, business marketers, and demographic segmentation, as well as geographic segmentation, psychographic segmentation, and behavioral segmentation. So all the different segmentations within market segmentation. The marketing mix, which you should already, I don't think you do know that. Which a lot of you probably know from sports entertainment marketing or even Web 2.0. Environmental scanning, market share, consumer behavior, cognitive dissonance, business buyers, market research, secondary data, primary data, observation research, survey research, green marketing, and mass customization. So some of those you did not learn, but that's because we're trying to focus down this into just the marketing part. So marketing is an organizational function and a set of processes for creating, communicating, and delivering value to customers. CRM is an ongoing process of acquiring, maintaining, and growing profitable customer relationships by delivering unmatched values. Elements of marketing strategy include product, price, distribution, and promotion. Understanding customer needs includes studying consumer and business buyer behavior. Key elements of marketing research include data and research tools. Factors that have impacted marketing in the last 2 decades are social responsibility movements and technology. And we are done. Maybe.